Pierre the Penguin, a true story. I like true stories. This is the true story of Pierre, a small penguin in a big museum. It is also about the people at the California Academy of Sciences who worked together to help him through a hard time. Down at the end of the African Hall, past statues of animals big and small, there's an aquarium wide and tall with real live penguins, 20 in all. African penguins don't like ice. For them, a warmer place is nice. Here comes Pam with fish in her pail. The penguins are fed twice a day without fail. Pam enters the tank through the sky-painted wall. A hidden door leads out to a hall. Some of the penguins look just the same. Wing bands help Pam call the birds by name. One day, aquatic biologist Pam, observing the penguins, saw one in a jam. Gently, gently, she examined Pierre. His feathers were gone. His bottom was bare. Pierre was afraid to go for a swim. He'd get too cold if he dived right in. How can I help you? What can I do? Pam had ideas and tried the first two. She tried a heater, and the vet prescribed pills, but nothing worked. Pierre shivered still. Poor Pierre. The other penguins grew afraid of Pierre. He looked so strange that he gave them a scare. He does look kind of scary, doesn't he? They brayed at him as he shivered on shore. They made him feel worse than he felt before. Poor guy. One rainy day, biologist Pam came up with a new idea. Shazam! My dog wears a raincoat, she told the vet. Could Pierre wear a wetsuit? The vet said, you bet. Pam and a friend worked day and night to make a pattern that fit just right. Then a wetsuit was made of neoprene, the tiniest one that you'd ever seen. Neoprene is a type of fabric that keeps moisture out. Carefully, Pam put on Pierre a wetsuit a featherless penguin could wear. Standing on a rock in his new wetsuit, Pierre the Penguin looked mighty cute. He does look cute. Oh, look, you see the band on his arm? He felt nice and warm, and he wanted to swim. So what did he do? He dived right in. Splash! Whee! I actually wish they said dove right in, but that's all right. Now Pierre stood proud and tall, and nobody brayed at him at all. 6 weeks went by, and then, surprise! Pam could hardly believe her eyes. Not only was Pierre no longer cold, he had new feathers. Observe and behold. I wonder how that happened. Now warm in water, now warm on shore, guess who didn't need his wetsuit anymore? Pierre made a nest for his very best friend. Their story goes on. Thanks to Pam. The end. What an awesome story about Pierre and the lady who worked so hard to figure out what would help him. I think that's an amazing story, and I really am curious as to how his feathers grew back. I wonder if they grew back because with the wetsuit on, he wasn't too cold to get in the water, and he needs the water to help his feathers grow strong, or maybe just the wetsuit gave him a break, and it allowed time for his feathers to grow in. That's something I definitely want to look into further. What about you?